So let's talk about the latest and the greatest in AI technology regarding interviews. What we have been building in ZenHire for the last 5 years is the ability for candidates to pre-record a simple 4-minute interview that goes into the database, and then the AI analyzes the facial expression, the tone of voice, and the logic behind the words spoken in order to decipher accent, pronunciation, fluency, vocabulary, other psychometric parameters, and job-specific skills. So how do we do that? Well, we've trained our AI on dozens of thousands of interviews where PhD linguists, a bunch of PhD linguists was evaluating every single interview, and then we were feeding those average PhD scores to the AI, and the AI exhibits 96% accuracy. Just to put this into context, we've done A/B tests where we evaluated AI metrics of alignment with the PhDs and non-trained HRs evaluations alignment to the PhDs. The HRs had 75 to 77% accuracy when compared to the PhDs, whereas the AI had 96% accuracy. This doesn't mean that the AI is perfect, but it means that the AI is statistically and on average much better than a non-trained human being to do language evaluations. Lastly, we've also developed the ability for you to drag and drop different questions to the interview so that you can measure job-specific skills. So imagine that you're hiring someone that might be a financial consultant, and you need that person to have market sizing as a skill. You would ask that person how many diapers are being sold in America each year, and based off of the answer that they give to that question, you would understand what is their market sizing skill. Well, we have created this methodology together with HR experts to mimic normal human recruitment processes in analyzing candidates. So we can say with certainty our AI can do the same job as a human in analyzing job-specific skills. The only thing that you need to do is drag and drop the skills from our library or add your own skills and define them as you measure them in your current company. Our assessments are very secure, and we have a lot of anti-cheating settings, which makes it impossible for candidates to cheat. We can detect multiple faces, multiple voices, stuff like that. And very importantly, we've trained our AI in a way where we excluded sensitive information such as race, gender, geographies, so that the AI is perfectly inclusive, non-biased, and very ethical. And we use traditional machine learning where we can control how the AI thinks, not only those modern technologies where AI can get a little bit uncontrollable. So let's talk about psychometrics and assessments at ZenHire. We have developed the most comprehensive, predictive, and customizable assessment solution in the market. With ZenHire's assessments, you're able to tap into some of the pre-existing assessments that our PhD psychometrics team developed, or you can collaborate with our team to develop custom assessments for you, or you can even create assessments yourself if they are more simple or manual. What we are very proud of is that we are very certain that we can find the right test for every role. So if you're hiring for numerical reasoning in a financial role, or maybe you need a personality assessment to understand whether these people that you're hiring are going to be good in sales or in customer support, we have the right solution for you. What I would like to highlight is that there is a concept called predictive validity. It's basically the coefficient with which we can understand with how much certainty an applicant will be good at the job after we've run some evaluation process with them. And what science is showing that CVs and traditional interviews are actually very, very low on predicting how good the applicant will actually perform on the job. Even it's counterintuitive because we think that we humans are very good in this, but actually what scientific literature is showing is that cognitive tests, personality assessments, and job-specific skill assessments combined actually have a much, much, much higher predictive value of understanding which candidates are going to be great at the job and which candidates are going to be very poor. And this is what we do at ZenHire. We combine all three of these: cognitive, personality, and specific skills in the most modern way with the highest amount of quality, which guarantees that we can bring results to you. Also, you can create custom tests for your specific needs by changing some of our existing assessments. The assessments are very much gamified, which enhances the candidate net promoter score. So candidates are very happy and they're looking forward to refer the company and share feedback and share their enthusiasm, which impacts your employer brand and someone that is very caring and very innovative. And also, we have statistically verified metrics for each individual assessment available in our library. So you can compare every test taker to the population and you can understand how well did they perform, not only on an absolute scale, but also on a relative scale compared to all the other people. So if that sounds interesting to you, we'll be more than happy to talk. And please don't hesitate to schedule a demo via our website. Thank you.